Yo guys, molweni namkelekile nonke kwezi Chisave Entertainment guys. The last two episodes of Uthando Nesthembu. Hi guys, they are fire. So Udadomseleko drove all the way from Shepstone to Durban ke eyobona indlu kaMakhumalo, and just also to clear things out on where they are currently standing. But now into enzakalayo is that hi sana Umpilo no Makhumalo, they are literally supporting each other on social media. Ithi ibe idlale ishow sana after ishow baya postana, you know, they are basically embracing, supporting and encouraging each other over on social media, of which I 100% don't believe that Udadomseleko is going to be pleased with what they are currently doing there on social media. So obviously Udadomseleko and Umakhumalo, they were seated as a couple, and Umakhumalo really does care for Umpilo as her very own daughter, right? And so yeah. And so guys, sibona uMakhumalo update uTatomseleko regarding ukukhishwa kukaMpilo. Umpilo funeke move from surname kamama wakhe back to the Mseleko surname. And so uTatomseleko uthi andizingeni sisi, uzokhumbula kaloku ba mina nawe we are not husband and wife. Then uMakhumalo uyothuswa into ba hayibo kanti lo baba okwangempela kwazisholo umayeni kanti lo baba unjani lo baba. So ambuza ukuthi how do you think that would make Umpilo feel ezwa lokho okushoyo ukuthi umfaka ezingxabanweni zabantu abadala and our marital issues. Then uTatomseleko athi I 100% do not care. If mhlawumbe mina nawe as uMakhumalo and Tatomseleko, we were okay, we were husband and wife, okay in that regard, mhlawumbe I was going to care. Remember Umpilo ingane yethu. So as ingane yethu, she has the responsibility of ensuring that mina nawe we are in good terms. And njengamanje she's not doing anything, and that shows to me as uTatomseleko that Umpilo does not one bit care about me. So why should I care? Okay, because if Umpilo ebenayo indaba about me, ebezohlala phansi nawe Makhumalo and try by all means to encourage you to fix your marital issues nami. We are not in good terms, but nginengane endala engangoMpilo engakwazi ukukuhlalisa phansi ikubonise, but ayikwenzi lokho. And so therefore, what can I say about Umpilo? Umpilo has failed doing her duties as ingane yami. So nami akukho engizomenzela kona that will make her happy if she herself cannot make me happy and assist in fixing my marital issues nawe. Yeah, understand? Like, does that even make sense? Why isn't Mpilo's baby ukuthi kumele alungise? When you decided ukuhamba yolanda uMakhwela, all your wives did say that they are not approving of, but because your marriage is now not working, no Makhumalo, so faka Umpilo shiqi phakathi inside. So uMakhumalo obviously was not for that. As a result, she ended up saying, you know what, I wash my hands, I rest my case, ngicela ukukushiya, ngicela nje ukuhamba because angiyizwa kahle hle lento oyishoyo and I don't want to argue with you. The ceremony is oqhubeka with or without you. It's not like Umpilo uzoshona if you do not want to be part of her ceremony, okay? And so ndendabona ke guys, Umpilo shame appreciated that a lot. As a result, uyahamba ke wayoposta ku Instagram wakhe ngomama wakhe. This is what she posted, you guys. Mandinifundele uyawaposta ke esisithombe, and then she said, there's no words I could ever use to describe how much this woman anchors me. Even the phrase nothing without you fails to suffice. I love you, mother. Then because they are one team, Umangwabe, Umawande, and Makhumalo, they all commented. Umangwabe commented and said, no, love her loud, baby girl. Irrespective of what Udadomseleko says, that sentence is incomplete from Umangwabe. Then Makhumalo commented and said, I love you, baby girl. Yeah, understand that. So ibe njalo into ya social media, guys. I'm sure Udadomseleko is spitting fire. Yes, this morning I just realized something, that Udadomseleko, whenever I post something mhlambe negative about Usamke or Umacele, he will, in most cases, he will comment on my posts to call me out, to try and change the way mhlambe engicinga ngayo, yeah, understand, or try and just defend uMakhwela or Umacele. But whenever I bash the other wives, recently I was bashing uMakhumalo for the way ebenqobe ngakhona. Utata Mseleko was nowhere to be seen, but had it been mhlawumbe uMakhwela ubuzombona kwi-comment section yami kesana and a scolder esithi mntanami akwenziwa kanje, you understand? So I'm 100% sure into yoba uyabona into eyenzakalayo uMpilo what she's doing on her social media, and most definitely, unfortunately, they will be reported to his higher power ekungugogo Flow. Okay, so yaphela kanjalo ke indaba kaMpilo, guys. uMakhumalo ended up saying nguye ozozenzela zonke izinto with or without uTata Mseleko. Now uTata Mseleko was also called out ke for ijealousy yakhe. Remember ebeyobona ke i-renovations and all of that. Guess what? The first thing he said xa ebona ikitchen kaMakhumalo is, wena kudala ke ndaxelela into yoba you are keeping ama-secrets from na uMakhumalo abuze, which secrets are you on about? Then ke amchazela into yoba eli kitchi eli wena you were sponsored ngeli kitchi, it's not from amandla akho. Remember you once told me that when you are saving for a kitchen, however I later then found out that you are sponsored. So I think that question mhlawumbe uTata Mseleko was asking uMakhumalo to assist financially somewhere, then uMakhumalo had to say, listen up, I'm saving for a kitchen and I cannot be able to support you financially during this time because ndisavela ikitchen. Then uMakhumalo had to provide ama-receipts woba nansi imali esendiyispendile, imali that is close to 800,000 rands. 800,000 rands, that's close to R1 million, guys. But uTata Mseleko thought that Ikichi was sponsored. Even after he made that comment, nowhere did he say, you know what, kuhle kwakho. But nje amandla kaMakhumalo uhlezi uTata Mseleko uyawadla, you guys. As a result, uMakhumalo started being emotional, guys, and basically revealing that she is quite disappointed at uTata Mseleko because amandla wakhe each and every time umdicilela phansi, and it actually reminds her that everything yena she has had to do it for herself without the assistance from uTata Mseleko. But the other wives are being financially supported by uTata Mseleko. But guess what? uMakhumalo yena, who has for the longest time been taking out imali from her pocket, even the little that she does goes unnoticed, and uTata Mseleko does not clap hands for her. The only thing he does is ukumdicilela phansi because mhlawumbe of ego yakhe ayimvumeli into yoba makathi clap hands for uMakhumalo. Yo guys, and a side note, guys, would be that sponsorship uTata Mseleko that he was talking about, sponsorship sasemzumbe. Uyatsho uMakhumalo into yoba that sponsorship was for ikhishi lasemzumbe before ungqoshe. And by the way, the next time ungqosha for real, ngizohambisa iTLB will be there. I will make sure to demolish my house that I built with my own money laphayana emzumbe. Awuke nje uke ungezame. So usamke shame, I don't think uzoba nayo umuzi anytime soon, because as you guys can see, uLwandle uselande umakotshana wakhe. They have taken over Macele's house. So usamke, which house is she going to take over? Definitely not Mayeni's house or Makhumalo's house. Most definitely not Mangwabe's house. So izawuthini into kaSamke, guys. Anyways, so ihamba kanjalo i-meeting kaMakhumalo noTata Mseleko. Guys, what were your thoughts on this episode? Please do let me know down on the comments, and thank you guys so much for joining me. Thank you for liking, and most definitely thank you for subscribing. I will see you shortly. Bye guys.